Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Melons. Potatoes. Lifty filled all the cars of the blue train. The train leaves. It's carrying a submarine. Tractor. Bowling pins. Milk. Hay. Watermelons and vegetables. Oh, it's so difficult for the train to climb the hill. The blue steam train can't carry such a heavy load. The train stops and rolls back down the hill. What do we do? Robot, do you know? Hi, Leo the truck. Will you help us? Leo brought the parts for a large and powerful locomotive. We'll assemble it now. This is a gray platform. We'll attach wheels to it. A spacious cabin. It will house the control panel. The windows and doors. A compartment for the diesel engine. And the engine. Stairs and fuel tanks. The headlight and lights. The last parts are in place. The locomotive is ready. Time to disconnect the blue steam train from the cars. Let's place the locomotive on the rails. The fuel truck is here. Time to fill the locomotive with fuel. The tanks are full. Thanks, fuel truck. Robot, we can be on our way. Oh, we forgot the coupling mechanism. We need to find two parts to connect the locomotive and the cars. Leo, do you know what they look like? Will the wheel help connect the cars to the train? No. Will this help?
Huh?
No. This is exactly what we need. Leo, quick, bring the parts. Setting up the coupling mechanism. All done. The locomotive pulls the cars forward. It's so fast. Hooray! The train climbs the hill. Great job, Leo the truck. Look, there are so many geometric shapes on the playground. And this is Leo. He is quickly driving somewhere. Hi, Leo. What are you going to build today? Wheels stack. Leo, are you going to build a locomotive? Where do we start? Blue cabin. 2 blue parts. Black platform. Orange cow catcher. Wheel. Our locomotive has 6 of them. 2 medium blue cylinders. And special fasteners for cars. What is it, Leo? Is something missing? Let's look for it. What does every locomotive need? What is Leo looking for? Guess what? It's a boiler. A locomotive needs it to drive. Leo, you need to look for a large cylinder. Does this look like a cylinder? This is a sphere. And these parts? They are a prism and a cube. And this is a big medium blue cylinder. Leo, put it in the back. It matches our locomotive perfectly. Great! Only a few parts left. A stack and a whistle. Our locomotive is ready. Let's see how it drives. Let's attach a car. And go. Leo, you did a good job. Look, it's a road. And who is driving there? It's Leo. I wonder what he's carrying in his body. And towards him comes a train. Hello, train. Leo, what are you going to build today? Roofs, concrete blocks, windows. Is this a train station?
Uh-huh.
Let's build it. First, the foundation. 2 ramps. Orange walls. Door and window. Blue roof with stripes. Street lamps. On the other side, let's put a sign with the station name. It says, Playground Station. Hello, Leo. And now, come into the station. Leo, what time does the train arrive? Oh, look! There is no clock. And the train has to arrive on time. Can you find a clock?
Uh-huh.
Here it is. Oh, Lifty has so many clocks. Which do you choose? Triangle? No. Square? Also no. Round. Yes, this clock is good. Let's put the clock in place. Look, the arrow is moving. Everything is working. 6 o'clock. The train stops at the station. And then goes further. Bye-bye, train. Until next time, Leo. Look! Leo, Lifty, and Scoop are hiding behind some rectangles. They are going to watch some new cartoons. And you? Choose quickly. Click on the rectangles. Quickly, before they disappear.